I'm Lisa Canning from Lisa Canning Interiors, and today I'm in a very special craft room in Newmarket, Ontario. I love the client that I have for this space. She's a really special lady who runs an essential oils business from her home. So it was really important for her to have a space where she could have people over to teach them workshops, demonstrate, as well as a big space for her to do all of her crafting and all of her activities with her children. In a craft room, storage is really vital because we've got paints that are really small, we've got essential oils that are even smaller, and then we've got taller bottles and taller rolls of paper. So to have a variety of storage is really crucial. So I worked with Tailored Living on the design of this cabinetry. They come in, they do the design, they show you a 3D drawing, and then they install it for you. They make it really easy for the client and the designer alike to create strategic storage. In a craft room, it's really important to have a really large surface area for working. We tucked in these really colorful stools from Wayfair to give her lots of flexibility to have people over, for her to work with her children. She can be walking around the island. I love creating spaces that allow people to collaborate. So an island was really important here. We also used the Delta Cassidy faucet with Touch 2.0 technology. So the ability to just tap anywhere on the faucet when the handle is in the on position is so convenient for this client. With the amount of mess that happens in this room, it was important that the floors were really water resistant. So I used a natural stone plank from Earth Coverings. They have the look of a natural wood as well as the staggered appearance that you would have with a wood plank, but they're a natural stone tile. In a craft room, I feel like you can just have a lot of fun with color. So I wrapped this beautiful teal color called Sylvan Mist on the walls with tongue and groove paneling all over from the tree. There's just something about any kind of applied molding or paneling that to me makes a space feel very customized and very upscale. And color was a really important story in all of the accessories. So even the pens, the pen holder, the paper clips, all from HomeSense, I wanted them to be just colorful and fun and full of personality. This room is in the basement right next to the exterior door, so it was actually quite drafty when we began. So I wanted to make sure that it felt really cozy, and we did that by inserting a Dimplex stove. This stove is so portable, it can fit in the back of your car, and really within a day you can have a space warm and cozy in the ambient glow of light from a fire with an electric fireplace. And then we further wanted to eliminate the draft by putting in a really high quality white vinyl window. This one's from Fieldstone, and it just really does an efficient job of making sure that drafts stay out as well as giving us a beautiful view of the backyard. In this space, I wanted all of the art to reflect the personal tastes and hobbies of the homeowner. So I worked with Poster Jack to create these personalized canvas prints throughout the room. I wanted to just, anywhere I could, give this homeowner spaces that were practical. So in this wall where I installed hooks and just bathroom towel rods, it gives her so much flexibility in terms of hanging supplies, displaying ribbons, keeping paper towel really close at hand, and just gives her the ability to use the space from the counter to the ceiling for really maximized storage. Design to me is so much more than just beautiful things and functional elements. It really is about helping people live their most beautiful, most ideal life possible. So I just love that this space gives this entrepreneurial mom the ability to work from home, entertain guests, as well as create and collaborate with her children in a fun, unique way.